Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk to all the single ladies. As we all know, if you don't know, I am now single. This is my first single Valentine's Day, and a couple years ago I promised myself that every holiday I was going to get myself a gift. There was a reason behind that, but we're not going to divulge into that right now. So let's go. For this Valentine's Day, of course, I'm going to get myself a gift. I'm not sure what yet, probably jewelry. For the past couple Valentines, since I've made myself that promise, I have bought myself jewelry. And then on my last trip to Dallas, I lost my rings. I left my rings in the airport bathroom because I was washing my hands and I took them off and left them on the sink. So I might get rings to replace those rings. I'm not sure yet, but we'll figure that out. We have until the 14th to get it done, right? And because I'm buying it for myself, I can get it on the day off or even the day after or the weekend, since Valentine's is on a weekend this year. Yes. And because we're not bitter singles, we're happy for the couples. We're happy for the lovers. We love the lovers because we love, and we're happy for the girls who are getting spoiled and treated and pampered this weekend. Okay? Okay. If you are a side chick talking directly to you, looking directly into the camera, look into my eyes as I say this. If you're not watching this video, look at me now. This is not the weekend to run away with that lady's husband. We are not wrecking homes. Okay, if that man says, hey, let's go away for Valentine's weekend, say no, sir, run away with your wife, because she is literally in the worst position of all three of you. So make sure that man is taking care of home first. Okay, make sure he's getting her flowers, make sure he's taking her somewhere nice for dinner, make sure that he's giving her something that makes her feel loved and appreciated, because she deserves that. Okay, because when he's happy there, he's happy here. What I will say, if you are a side chick, get your allowance, get your weekend allowance for that weekend, okay, so that you can do the things that you want to do with your girlfriends. All right, make sure that man gives you flowers, make sure that man gives you money. Okay, if you are a side chick, hey, make sure that man gives you money, make sure that man gives you flowers, in no particular order. All right, all right. Single girls, send yourself flowers. Have them delivered to your job or your house or wherever. Create excitement for yourself on this day. As you guys can see, I always have flowers in the back. That's because I buy myself flowers whenever I can, whenever I want to. Honestly, I love flowers, and if nobody's sending me flowers, I'm going to get myself flowers because I genuinely love having fresh flowers in my house. These, believe it or not, are from Walmart. I bought them, I believe, a week ago. They're absolutely gorgeous. You see that yellow one that just bloomed? Oh, love my flowers. So when you're grocery shopping, grab yourself a bouquet. Whether it's roses or peonies or daffodils or sunflowers or whatever it is, grab yourself some flowers. Put it in a nice pretty vase. Bring some freshness and some life into your home. Yeah. But outside of that, yeah, order yourself some flowers. Have them delivered and post it on Instagram and say, look at me, I got flowers for myself because I love me. Like, who gonna love you more than you? Who's supposed to love you more than you? Love yourself first. Okay? Single ladies, go get yourself a massage, get yourself a spa day, get yourself a nice deep tissue, a hot stone, a Swedish, you know, something nice to relax the muscles. If you've been doing the 75 hard, then I know your body is tired, because baby, my body is tired. I take workout days off. Okay, like I'm not working out 7 days a week, twice a day. I know it's 75 hard, but baby, soft life, please. Soft life me, please. I know I want the body for the summer, but I'm not going to kill myself for it. Okay, so go ahead, book a massage for either the Friday, the Saturday, or the Sunday, whichever day you have free, because you don't have to do every single thing every single day. Valentine's Day is one day, but you know, weekend, whatever. Treat yourself to a little massage, a spa day. Get yourself a facial, put like a cucumber on your eye, you know, get your nails done, get your toes done, be cute. Go pick out a nice little dress for yourself. Yeah. Next thing I'm going to suggest is going for dinner. Either taking yourself out, hiring a personal chef, or you and your girls get together and do a little Valentine's, maybe even a little Valentine's potluck. You know, get some wine. If you're doing 75 hard and not drinking, they do have Stella Rosa. I just saw yesterday or day before yesterday, I saw that they have a non-alcoholic wine. Stella Rosa Black is the one with the blue cap, with the blue label, I believe. I'm going to try to find that. I believe my local Walmart has it. Ritual, if you follow me on Instagram, you see I tried the Ritual Tequila, 0 proof, no alcohol at all. That one I think would make a nice spicy margarita. I'm going to try the rum. I feel like the rum would be nice. Rum and Coke. Yeah. But that's if, you know, yeah, you and your girls get together, you want to have a nice little vibe. That's what I would recommend. Some non-alcoholic beverages, a little mocktails, a little dinner, a little potluck type of vibe, or, you know, get a chef or go out to eat. The restaurants are going to be packed. Let's just start right there. So if you don't want to be surrounded by couples, stay inside. Last thing I want to leave with you before I go is to get a hotel for the weekend. Yes, go away, have a nice little staycation. And don't get no regular hotel either. Get a hotel that has the complimentary breakfast in the morning, that has a spa, a hot tub, a pool, that has room service, a nice like a balcony. Yeah, you know, treat yourself, babes. Treat yourself. And then, final tip, if you are lonely, you do miss the body and the physical touch and the kissing and the rubbing and all these things, jump on apps. For this one weekend, I'm allowing you to jump on the apps. Yes. Do not message the boy who's been hunting you down for months and years. Do not message him. He's not the one you want to message. Okay? I know there is somebody you've been flirting with, somebody you've been, you know, the two of you been exchanging like cute little messages and stuff like that. If he is single, or she, whatever floats your boat, babe. If they are single, hook up. Don't hook up on Valentine's Day though. That's like too much pressure. Do it like the Saturday. Like when you book your hotel, do it that time there. Unless you're bold AF, then yeah, go for it on Valentine's Day. Just know that, just make it clear that that's what's happening. Because we want to be transparent, we want to be honest, we want to, you know, yes, the same respect that you expect from them, give it to them as well. That's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Let's chat. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok, follow me on every single thing. Check out the website, KSSYFVCE.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, tell me what you're going to do for Valentine's Day. Peace sign and kissy face. Bye.